Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to bulk export and optimize images from Figma with the right format and the right name using PixelLift. Let's go to Figma. Here you can see an e-commerce site with multiple pages. Each page has multiple product images. We're going to export all of them. First, let's launch the PixelLift plugin. Go to the Actions tab, then click on Plugins and Widgets. Search for PixelLift. You'll see it in the results. Click on it. A plugin card opens. Hit Run. The plugin is now open. Now we need to select the layers we want to export. Here we're going to select Home, Shop, and Single Product. Now let's close the drop-down and click on Scan Assets. Here you can see that PixelLift has scanned all 3 pages and found 42 images. All of them are listed here and ready to export. Now let's rename them. Right now, all the names are like Rectangle 5 and Rectangle 9. Those are not useful. PixelLift gives you 3 ways to rename. First, you can rename individually. Here I'll click on this image name and type the new name directly. Second, bulk rename. Here we'll click on Rename in the top bar. A modal opens. Here for the demo, let's type product and replace with field. Then we'll click the number chip to add a number sequence. On the left side, you can see the preview showing product 1, product 2, product 3. Now let's click Rename. The modal closes, and here you can see all the names are updated. Now the third way is Rename with AI. Here we'll click on Rename with AI. A message appears telling you that PixelLift sends your images to OpenAI to generate names. If that is fine, click Understood, Continue. The AI will start scanning each image. This may take a moment, and it is done. Look at the names now. Glass carafe, woven basket, striped towel. Let's open a couple to confirm. Here is the woven basket, and yes, that is exactly what the image is. Now let's check this one. Striped towel, correct again. The AI reads each image and gives it the right name. Now let's set the image scale. Here if I click the scale button on any image, you can see the options from 0.5x all the way to 4x. Here let's select 1.5x for this one, then 2x for this one, and 4x for this one. Now you can also set the scale for all images at once. Here we'll use the scale button in the top bar and select 1x. And as you can see, all 42 images are now set to 1x. Now let's set the format. Same idea. Here if I click the format button on any image, you have options like PNG, JPG, PDF, WebP, and AVF. Here let's select WebP for this one, JPG for this one, and WebP again for this one. Now to set the format for all images at once, here we'll use the format button in the top bar and select WebP. And there you go. All 42 images are now in WebP format. So the name, format, and scale are all set. Now let's export everything at once. Here we'll click the Export button. PixelLift will package all 42 images into a zip file. A Save dialog opens. Let's click Save. Now let's check the exported files. Here is the zip. Let's open it. And here you go. All 42 images are here with the correct names and in WebP format. Let's click on a few to preview them. The quality is clean and the names are exactly what we set. These are ready to upload. That's PixelLift. Select your layers, rename them, say your format, and export everything in one go. Try it for free on the Figma community. The link is in description.